Today, we are going to learn low-angle sight. The learning objective is to calculate low-angle sight. References TC 3-0, 9.81, Chapter 8 and Firing Table 155, Alpha Mic 3. The required skills for this lesson are extracting data from firing tables, interpolation and artillery expression. Sight is the algebraic sum of the angle of sight and the complementary angle of sight. What you need to know before you get started: chart range, target altitude, battery altitude, projectile/charge. Angle sight is equal to the vertical interval divided by the range in thousands, multiplied by the smart guy factor, 1.0186. Vertical interval is equal to the target altitude minus battery altitude. Here is an example. Chart range is 9,000 meters. Target altitude is 471 meters. Battery altitude is 382 meters. Projectile family Mic 107HE and white phosphorus with 4 hotel Mic 232. Vertical interval is equal to 471 minus 382, which is equal to positive 89. Vertical interval is always sine. Range in thousands is equal to the chart range divided by 1,000, or 9,000 divided by 1,000, which equals 9, giving us angle sight equal to positive 89 divided by 9 multiplied by the smart guy factor, 1.0186, or positive 10.1. Angle sight is equal to positive 10.1. Now for complementary angle of sight. Complementary angle of sight is equal to the absolute value of angle sight multiplied by the comp sight factor. Comp sight factor is extracted from table golf, column 12 and 13. For our example, we will look in table golf in shell family Mic 107, charge 4 hotel Mic 232. Since we have a positive vertical interval, we will extract from column 12, and we are looking for chart range 9,000 meters. Here is table golf. 4 hotel, table golf, Mic 107 shell family. Column 12, range 9,000. We extract positive 0.014 mil. Pause and you try. We extracted positive 0.014 mils. If the range wasn't listed, you must interpolate. Continuing with our example, complementary angle of sight is equal to the absolute value of angle sight, or positive 10.1 multiplied by comp sight factor, or positive 0.014. This gives us complementary angle of sight equal to positive 0.1414. Now for the last step. Remember from the beginning, sight is equal to angle sight plus complementary angle of sight. For our example, sight is equal to angle sight, or positive 10.1 plus complementary angle of sight, or positive 0.1414. Giving us sight equal to 10.2414, however, sight is expressed to the nearest 0.1 mil. Sight expressed to the nearest 0.1 mil is 10.2. Now for check on learning. Question 1. Range to target. Chart range, 8,000 meters. Target altitude, 532 meters. Battery altitude, 458 meters. Projectile, charge Mic 107, HE or white phosphorus. 4 hotel, Mic 232. Question 2. Range to target, chart range, 700 meters. Target altitude, 627 meters. Battery altitude, 706 meters. Projectile, Chuck's charge Mic 107, HE or white phosphorus. 1 Lima, Mic 231. Question 3. Range to target, chart range, 17,000 meters. Target altitude, 1123 meters. Battery altitude, 947 meters. Projectile, shock charge, Mic 107, HE or white phosphorus. 4 hotel, Mic 232 Alpha 1. Question 4. Range to target, chart range, 11,000 meters. Target altitude, 1132 meters. Battery, altitude, 1226 meters. Projectile, charge Mike 107, HE or white phosphorus. 3 Hotel, Mike 232 Alpha 1. Question 5. Range to target. Chart range, 14650 meters. Target altitude, 1,300 meters. Battery altitude, -86 meters. Projectile, charge Mike 107, HE or white phosphorus. 4 Hotel, Mike 232. You are at the lowest point in Death Valley. Question 6. Range to target. Chart range, 17540 meters. Target altitude, 300 meters. Battery altitude, 3743 meters. Projectile, charge Mike 107, HE or white phosphorus. 4 Hotel, Mike 232 Alpha 1. You are on top of Mount Adams in Washington State, shooting into a ravine.